Inside this box is the never-before-seen Viture Pro 2. So the team at Viture was kind enough to send me the Viture Pro 2 XR glasses a week early. So in this video, we are going to be doing an unboxing, but by the time that you see this video, I will have hopefully a week of testing with this, and I'll have another video coming out giving you my thoughts. But right now, it's time to unbox. All right, so unboxing. On top, we have some bubble wrap and a sticker. That's cool. Take off the bubble wrap. Ooh, there they are. The Viture Pro 2 XR glasses. If you don't know what XR glasses are, basically it puts a ginormous screen in front of your face. So if you want to play like your Steam Deck, you'll have the Steam Deck in your hand, you'll connect these glasses to the Steam Deck, and then you have a ginormous display on your face. So let's look at the box. The future is on view on the back. All right, let's see if there's anything else in the box. Nope, just stickers. I really like their boxes because as you pull this little pull tab, it has like a 3D effect. Do you see that? It's so cool. And it's tight. Like it's packaged very, very tight. Kind of like an Apple box. It feels very premium. All right, so that part goes over there. And I think, oh, pull tabs. So we've got pull tabs, just very Apple style. I love this style of pull tabs. There's one on the top, one on the bottom. And now we should be able to, ooh, that's so satisfying. Whoever did this packaging should really work for Apple. Maybe they did. All right, so we've got Viture Pro 2's documentation, and ooh, I love the case. I love the new case. Black and orange? Dark orange. Almost red. I like it a lot. All right, before we get to the glasses, let's just look in the box. And I believe these are more nose pads, different nose pads. So depending on how your face looks and the shape and everything, you can have different pads so that it's more comfortable. Just as you put on the glasses, you get the best view. And then the user guide in here. Yeah, user guide. All right, now it's the time you've been waiting for. Time to unzip the Viture Pro 2s. And again, these are designed to be more thin and light. So there they are. Ooh, very nice. I like this style. It's a darker gray than my others. Oh, they're using the USB-C instead of that magnetic adapter. It's just plug in USB-C. So that means if the cable goes bad, you can just plug in a USB-C cable, make sure it's compatible like Thunderbolt or something, but that's great. All right, they do feel really light, and they also give you a cable that's tucked away at the top, right? Oh wow, they actually give you a shade. So if you want the glasses to be truly blacked out, you can put that on. Yeah, that blocks out all the light. Oh, that's so cool. That is cool. All right, let's look back in the box again. So that's just paperwork, or, you know, and then pull that down, and inside the top, we have our USB-C to C cable. All right, here we go. We've got a L-shaped cable on one side and a straight USB-C on the other. Very nice. All right, that will do it for this unboxing. We have the Viture Pro 2s. We have the covered shade. So if you want to block out 100% of the light, you can just snap that on. It just kind of fits on there. We have the USB-C adapter, cable, documentation, and more nose pads, and then the case. So that is the Viture Pro 2 unboxing. Make sure you're ready for the video about my review of this, because I will be testing this. So it'll probably be like right here. And so just if you're interested more in the Viture Pro 2, click that video right there and I'll see you there.